Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and in this video I want to show you how you can enable app locker. So the app locker feature is the great way to protect sensitive applications. So first of all, let's go to app locker settings. You want to open settings and let's go to apps and now find app locker feature. So now you have to confirm your pattern or your password or your PIN, whatever you use. And finally, you can choose exactly which applications you want to protect. So you will see a list of all applications installed on your phone, and look for the application that you want to secure and tap the checkbox next to its name. Let's select a couple of them. And once you have selected all the applications you want to lock, you can simply press the back button to save your changes and exit the settings. Now, next time when you want to open this application, you will need to use your pattern or your PIN. So where is my phone? Where is my photos? As you can see, it asks me for my password. So yeah, that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.